Hi folks, it's Russ from Turris, and just like to show you a really nice product here from Auspit. It's as you can see, it's a rotisserie. This particular product is available now through the DRIFTA European website. You can see the link there on the screen. Just a couple of features about this particular rotisserie is, well, first of all, it's made from stainless steel, which is very, very high quality. Also, you can see here there's a swivel on it. You can move it around. The actual post, which you can hammer into the ground, is very good quality as well. It's very strong. I believe you can hold anything up to 8 kilograms of meat on this particular rotisserie, which is a pretty big piece of meat. The motor here is also very, very efficient. I think 2D batteries. From using 2D batteries, you can get anything between 90 and 120 hours. The other thing about this particular product is it's just a great way to sit around with your friends and your family, and have a few beers, chat away while you're waiting for your favourite roast to cook. It comes in a really nice tidy bag. It's flat packed. When everything's in the bag, I think it weighs about 5.5 kilograms, which is not so heavy. It's not too bad, and that's very easily thrown in the back of your four-wheel drive or in your camper trailer or your caravan, whatever. If you want to get more information on the Auspit, you can check it out on the DRIFTA website, www.drifta.eu. You can see it on the screen there, and we highly recommend them. They're just a great way to enjoy your favorite meal. So yeah, check it out. Thanks for watching.